How are you? I hope you're fine at home. Can you tell me who am I? I am your new friend. Can you identify me? Yes, I am a bird and my name is Peacock. Peacock. I love to dance in rain. This is monsoon season going on. This is my favorite season because rain comes and I like to dance in the rain. Today I am going to tell about my new friends. Do you want to meet my new friends? Okay, come with me. I will tell you about my new friends. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is me, Peacock. I have told you about myself. I open my wings when rain comes and I dance. My name is Peacock and I am your national bird. National bird. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is my friend humping bird. This is my friend humping bird. Humping bird. Now can you tell me which friend is this? Yes, pigeon. This is pigeon. It likes to eat nuts, fruits, and it is a beautiful bird. It is a beautiful bird. Now can you tell me what is this? Yes, it is a crane. It is a crane bird. It is a crane bird. Can you tell me what is this? Eagle. Yes, it is eagle. It likes to eat flesh and it lives on the tall trees. It sits on the tall trees. Now what is this? Yes, it is ostrich and it cannot fly but it runs very fast. It is ostrich. It is ostrich. Now what is this? Which bird is this? It says cow, cow. Crow. Very good. What is this? Crow. And what is the color of the crow? It is of black color. It is of black color. Now can you tell me which beautiful bird is this? Yes, kingfisher. This bird is kingfisher. Now what is this? Yes, it is a hen. It is a hen. It lays eggs. It lays eggs. What is this? Vulture. Which bird is this? Vulture. It also likes to eat flesh and it lives on the tall trees. It lives on the tall trees. And what is this? Yes, owl. Which bird is this? Owl. It cannot see in the day. It sleeps in the day and it wakes up in the night. And it lives in the hole of the tree. Hole of the tree. Now what is this? What is this? Which bird is this? Sparrow. It is a small bird. It is a small bird. It chirps. Small bird. Now which bird is this? Which bird is this? Parrot. Which bird? Parrot. It imitates human speech. It imitates human speech. Now what is this? Yes, it is duck. It is duck. It loves to live in water. It loves water. And what does the duck do? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Now what is this? Swan. What is this? Swan. It is also like a duck. It is also like a duck. Now all these are birds. All these are birds. They all belong to bird family. Now which bird is this? Vulture, kingfisher, sparrow, pigeon, owl, ostrich, parrot, peacock, hen, swan, duck, crane, humping bird, eagle. These all are birds. Now you have to revise the topic bird. Okay, you have learnt about birds. Now you will revise it. Okay. God bless you, beta. Thank you.